Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. Okay, I'm crabby. Not gonna lie, I'm upset today. Because I woke up and it was really cold in my house, and I thought, oh, it's morning. I'll go turn the furnace up. Furnace is broken again. Third time this season. Furnace is 4 years old, and it was top of the line, $20,000 to get the new central air and the allergen killing blah 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 blah. Oh yeah, we got sold a bill of goods, but it only lasts you 4 years before you start having trouble. So I'm crabby. They red tagged my other furnace, so we had to get this furnace, and now I'm sitting there going, maybe we should pull this one out too. I'm not in a good mood. The only saving grace is that it's warming up here in Minnesota, but it's 61 degrees in here today. My feet were frozen, like frozen. So I'm drinking lots of hot beverages and just holding the cup. I mean, 61 degrees is chilly when it snowed yesterday. It snowed yesterday. And the snow's already gone because the ground was warm from the 60 degree days before that, but it's cold. It's cold. I'll turn the space here on in the shop because I want to glaze the desk today and get that done. I'm going to pick it tomorrow to start loading in. So tonight I have to start pricing up all the stuff that I bought. I want to do the rose booth first, I think, because that one was way picked over last month. I think the bookshelf that's in there, that green one's gonna have to come out and get a back on it because nobody wants a bookshelf without a back on it. But I'm gonna mix up some glaze, my own color here of glaze. If you haven't watched that video, there'll be a link somewhere. Right now I can't think. I'm too cold and tired to think. But I did a video using this tintable glaze, and I'm gonna mix my own using this, and this says it's turquoise blue. It doesn't really look turquoise blue, and the one that said it was true blue really looked purple to me, and I don't want it to tint purple. It already has a kind of a periwinkle blue look to it. I mixed like a bright blue, navy, and green and white to get the color, kind of mixed my own color, and I don't want it to skew purple at this point. So I'm going to use this one because to my eyes this doesn't look turquoise. This looks more of a true blue, even though it says turquoise. It doesn't look turquoise. And I want there to be enough of a contrast on there, but I absolutely don't want to put a glaze on there that's going to suddenly make you go, oh, it's kind of purpley. No, I want it to stay blue. So I'm gonna go find a jar. All right, now I'm torn. So this is the true blue and the turquoise blue. Do you see why I think it looks kind of purple when you put it next to this one? So alone it looks blue. Then I stuck it next to this one. I went, ooh, kind of looks purple. So I think I'm gonna go with the turquoise. Found a jar, found a stick. Mix me up some turquoise. So the other day I did that. So when the lids are stuck, I just give it a little bang on a surface and it loosens up all the dried bits and bobs on there. And this one I accidentally hit the corner. Oh, goodness sake. I was like, why is there blue all over my room? I'm like, it's all over my hands. It's all over the room. Tintable glaze and pigments. So go watch the video. I'm not going to sit here and explain it again. I know that's just rude, but so rude. But I'm in a bad mood. I told you that at the beginning. Turquoise. pigment. Oh, these are powdered pigments I bought at the art supply store. Oh, look at that. That doesn't look turquoise at all, but holy pigment. The pink didn't pigment like that. Well, I'm kind of excited now. Happy little accident, as Bob Ross would say. My gate's glazing. I did a little test patch in the back of the desk to make sure, and the blue is perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So yay! I'm gonna get some water because I want to be able to move this around as I do. Water. I had water. Hang on. It did not look turquoise to me at all. Let me show you. As you can see, that don't look turquoise. It just looks pretty blue. And to thin that out a little bit, put some water on it. It'll start to move around for you. And I want movement in my piece. So I'm going to put you guys on time lapse. She looks way dreamy now. It looks like a fluffy sky. Oh, I'm so excited. I love the glaze over it. I'm glad I went with the turquoise, even though that is definitely not turquoise. It just looks pretty. I can't wait to get it dry, clear coat it, and then get all her jewelry put back on her. So when I did the post about mixing your own glazes, I know there was kind of this little, ooh, it's kind of expensive for that container, but look how much I mixed. And it was way more than enough to glaze this entire piece. So if you're doing the wipe on, wipe off one, you're going to use less than I used. A little bit less, because you only hit the highlights with that one. But I have a lot left. And if I use my sealer on this to seal this up, it's going to last me a long time. And now I have 2 custom colors that I couldn't buy anywhere else. So to me, this is totally worth it. I got to get smaller jars. I'm going to get the little jars out of my basement and use those next time, because I'm mixing way too much. But it's so pretty, you guys. And the pigments were kind of pricey and the glaze was kind of pricey, but I'll put links below to what I have and what, if you like this idea, because I can now mix any freaking color I want, instead of going to the store and buying a $5 little mini pot and it's not quite the color I want and I have to kind of go with what those brands want. I want to make my own. I don't want to look like everyone else and then pay a fortune to get something that's kind of close. I mean, I could have added green to this and made it more turquoise, and I could have added pink to it and made it more purple. And I mean, possibilities are endless. I could add a gold sparkle in it, and I mean, you could do a lot with this. So, well, the house is freezing cold. Still 61 degrees, but I'm gonna clear coat this. Got a space heater going in here, a space heater in the living room. So hopefully the space heater in here will allow this to dry properly. Been a day, guys. It's been a day. Okay, she's cleared, and now I need to go price some stuff and load my car to go to pick it tomorrow. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.